everyone, and welcome to our March live feeding video. So, you might have seen that every third Saturday of the month we like to do live Facebook feedings, where we feed some of the different tanks and talk about their different adaptations or what they eat. We also like to use these videos to thank those who have adopted our tank for the month, give them a nice shout out. So welcome to our live feeding. Today we will be feeding our Thunderdome here. Inside our Thunderdome we have a lot of different anemones, rockfish, and a sea star. All three of these species are very different from each other, but they do have something in common. They love to eat shrimp. And I don't know about you, but I think I'm categorized with them as well. I love me some good coconut shrimp. As you can tell, it's right before dinner, so I'm pretty hungry, and so are all the animals in our tanks. We will be feeding them shrimp, pieces of frozen shrimp that have been thawed. We cut them up and feed it to them. Anemones may look like plants, but they're actually animals, so they love themselves some food, such as shrimp or fish, or anything that they can get their little tentacles on. In each of those tentacles, they have stinging cells they can use to capture prey. Give people a few more minutes to log on and join our live March feeding. So I want to start off by giving a shout out to Deborah Hale and Catherine Hedge-Tevet. These two wonderful people have adopted our tank for the month, which means that they get a live feeding. They also got a certificate with their name on it saying they adopted the Thunderdome. They got fact sheets about the different animals in the tank, and a heartfelt thank you note. So if you're interested, you can go to our website, click the support tab, and adopt one of our tanks. You can either adopt them for a small fee for the month, or you can adopt them for a much larger fee of $100, and then you get to come down and help us feed them. So pretty exciting. So far, I'm going to start feeding the anemones over here. We've got a couple of different kinds. We've got the green surf anemone, the painted anemone, and the aggregating anemone. It looks like someone's going to come join. Rocky here, our copper rockfish. She loves some shrimp. So I'm actually going to give her a few pieces first so that she doesn't take the shrimp away from the anemones. She is very fast and very hungry. So now that she's gotten some shrimp, we can feed the anemones. They got those sticky tentacles to sting it. If it wasn't a live shrimp, but these are just frozen shrimp that have been thawed. A lot of worried one day that Rocky's just gonna jump out while I'm trying to feed her. So, little pieces of shrimp chopped up. Stay, girl, stay. So those anemones are going to slowly bring those pieces of shrimp down to the center. Bringing that shrimp down to their stomach. Rocky looking for that shrimp that it's eating. She can smell it. Slowly closing up. So when you see an anemone that's closed up, it could mean that it was eating or that it was disturbed. Sorry about that. Now we're going to go over this way where we've got some other anemones and that sea star up in the corner. So in this one we've got this sand rose anemone. Likes to bury itself in the sand. And then we've got a painted anemone. And then you can see the sea star up in the corner there. That's our pink sea star. Lovely name, Patrick. Viral school groups. The sound that you might have heard just kick on is our air conditioning. We gotta keep it cool in here. And our chillers, which helps keep the water cold as well. Stay, girl, stay. You already got your shrimp. Let me feed the anemones. So now the anemones have gotten their food. Now it's time to feed that sea star. Unless Rocky gets in the way, which she's prone to. So, piece of shrimp. Rocky, you got a photo bomb, don't you? The sea star can taste all those little tundies. You see it moving about? Nothing for you, Rocky, nothing for you. So then that sea star is going to slowly bring that piece of shrimp on up all those little tube feet, bringing it up to the center on the bottom where its mouth is. Rocky, our copper rockfish, really wanting some more shrimp. Don't want you to become too fat. So that sea star is slowly bringing that piece of shrimp up to the mouth. The anemones are closing up to digest theirs. The rose anemone's pretty quick. It's already gulped its piece of shrimp down. See if you can see. Maybe if I turn off the light, we can get that sea star. So you can see the shrimp slowly moving up into that center. Rocky, waiting for more food. Don't jump out. The other anemones have brought their shrimp down to their mouths, and now they're opening back up, waiting for more. So again, I want to give a shout out to Deborah Hale and Catherine Estevet. Because of their donations, we were able to provide delicious shrimp for these animals for the month of March. If you want to donate as well, you can go to our website, Puget Sound Estuarium, and click the support tab, click the donate, and you can, oh, thanks Emily, I'm glad you enjoyed this feeding. If you missed any part of it, it will be posted back on Facebook, and then in a couple days it will be up on our YouTube channel. So you can re-watch Rocky gulping down those pieces of shrimp. And that sea star is now up, hiding away to consume that piece of shrimp. I hope you all had a wonderful Saturday. Hope to see you down here at the Puget Sound Estuarium. We are open Saturdays and Sundays from 11 to 4. You can make a reservation to guarantee your spot, or if time or capacity allows, you can just walk in off the street. We love to have you. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and thanks for watching.